Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm gonna show you and explain you about Google Ads tutorial 2023. I'm gonna explain you each and everything, and I'll try to cover everything step by step and very simple, and it's gonna be a beginner's guide. It's not gonna be complicated, and if you all have any questions, just message me on the comments. I'll get back to you. And guys, let's get started. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Plus, it's very simple. I always try to go the straightforward way, no bullshit. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, all now again for Google Ads, all you have to do is just go on google.com to register and go on Google Ads, and it's very simple. Just click over here, Google Ads, and then again you can just sign up with your Gmail ID, and it's very simple. Now again, once you're over here, this is your dashboard. This is how it will look. Once you're logged in, this is how it would look. Now let me explain you very step by step. Let's take an sample product. Let's say for example, you might be watching as you're a product, or you own a business and you want to advertise on Google Ads. And again, Google has YouTube as well, so you can do YouTube ads as well and display ads. I'm going to explain you everything, right? So let me take my favorite brand, H&M. Okay, so this is one of the best brand for me. I really love it. So let's say again, even if you're doing affiliate marketing, or even if you have your own company, you want to advertise it, this is the video for you. So first things first. So let's say for example, again, you're selling clothes. So I'll just open Excel. Okay, very simple, and I would type, again, my brand is H&M. Okay, so this is my brand, right? Now the way Google Ads work is so the way Google Ads works is you have your Google Ads account, which is this account, and then you can create campaigns. Inside campaigns you can run ad groups and keywords. Again, now looks complicated, but I'll explain you step by step. But before that, we are into Excel. So this is my brand H&M. So let's say my branded, so there is one. So again, I'll go like this one. So we'll create campaign, we'll create ad group first. Okay, so one would be branded ad group. Okay, non-branded, we can call it, okay, competition. Okay, so again, these can be our ad groups. Okay, oh no, these can be our campaigns. So let's say these are our campaigns, campaigns. Okay, these are campaigns, and then we can create different ad groups. So we can create ad group over here. So AG means ad group. Okay, ad group, and then we'll have different keywords over here. So for, let's say for example, you own a brand, so my branded would be H&M. Okay, it can be H&M reviews something, or H&M scam, can be anything, right? H&M discount. Okay, now for non-branded is something what people are searching to so let's say what products are you all selling. So if I just click on H&M, so what are they selling? They're selling kids clothes. So they're selling jeans, they're selling t-shirts, pants, okay, they're selling whatever it is. They're selling shoes, and they're selling pants. Just let me correct it. Okay, so let me say these are your ad groups, right? Let me see. And then competition. So if I type jeans over here, okay, so what's my competition, right? So again, pull and bear can be my competition. So I can write pull and bear. Okay, Gap can be my competition. Again, your competition, whoever is your competitor, because it's much easier. Because again, when you think about ads, you're trying to get your potential customer, and again your potential customer is your competitor, right? Again, it's much more easier as well. Can be again in here we have Namshi, can be anything like Namshi, ASOS, Farfetch, yeah, whatever it is, whatever your competition is, right? Let's say for example we create a campaign, right? We create a new campaign. Now as you could see, there are different kinds of campaigns which you could run. So let's say for example, if you have your app, you can run app, okay, like app installs. If you have a local store, let's say you have a brick and mortar store, you can literally promote that. If you just want branding campaigns, you can use that. If you want to reach or brand awareness, you can use that. I would suggest in the beginning website traffic, because again we can start optimizing it. Okay, you can create a campaign without goal guidance as well, or even you can just do website traffic, okay, or create a campaign without goal. I would do both. Like I would consider clicking on create a campaign without a goal guidance. And now as you could see over here, there are different kinds of campaign type. So search is something like this. Search is this when you're searching, okay. When you talk about performance max, so this is a new product by Google. So again, what it does is it's very simple now, and they are in the testing phase. Performance max includes all of these placements. So what they have done is they have compiled everything together to make it easier for the user to use it. But again, for me, I would do much more separate, because I know if, let's say for example, from all of this search is getting me the most money, I would do that. Okay, so now performance max is done. Display is like a display ad. So it's like, if I go on each time, okay, this is a newsletter in UAE, in Dubai. So again, this is something where you see advertisement. This is display, okay, this is display right now, okay. Yeah, that's display. So now we are done over here. Shopping ads are, these are shopping ads. These are shopping ads on the top. And then again, videos are YouTube videos, app or app install, download the app. Okay, so if I go over here, so if I type H&M app, okay, usually we do it on phone, okay. When I search this on phone, it will show me download the app. Again, app, then there's smart as well. So again, something like will show you display, and then discoveries are like discovery ads. When you open Gmail, you will see an ad. So if I open Gmail, it will show me an ad. So yeah, this is my Gmail right now, where you see Snapchat, and then you see an ad over here. Like these are the ads. So this is it. But right now we are just gonna focus on search right now. Again, in the next videos, if you need me to explain each and every campaign type, you can go ahead and let me know, so I can create a video. But for now, you can do website traffic as well, or even you can do create a campaign without. So let me just show you this. If I click continue, it will show me the same thing, okay. I would do search right now, and now again my campaign would be just Google ad. Name your campaign however you want. So again, if you go over here, your campaign name should be branded H&M, okay, whatever your brand is. Start new, okay, it's fine. Now again, what's your goal? You can set conversion pixel, but again, in this is a tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can just start with Google ads without spending a lot of time with setting up conversions and pixels. So a bit more complicated, but again, it's easy. I'll show you in my next videos. But now just click on clicks. Okay, again, how much are you willing to pay per click, and how much is the maximum you can pay? Whatever, depending on your budget. I would say for maximum, for a click, one click, I can pay maximum $1, but doesn't have to be $1. It can be less as well, because Google works on bidding system, but it's fine. Maximum is this. I would just select search network. So basically, if you do not select this, it will only show on google.com. but when if you select this, Google has some other search platforms as well. it will show over there as well, right? So that's there. Select your location. I would, for now, whatever it is, for me it's going to be UAE. Select your language. People speak Arabic as well over here, Hindi as well, depending on your ad type what you want to create, but I'm going to create English. Next, now this is your ad groups type. Okay, so you can create different ad groups type. If I scroll more down, so this is one ad group, right? Let me scroll up. So now again, my ad group one would be, let me just delete this. Okay, create an ad group. This is ad group one. What is my ad group name? It can be branded ad group. Let me go back. Branded ad group, where all of my these keywords would come. Okay, now if you go over here, the different type of keyword match type. So let me give you an example. Keyword match type. And again guys, if there's much more confusing, just Google it, right? I googled it. Okay, there's a method which I follow, is called IGI, which means I googled it. Just to give you an example, yeah, this one looks much better. Open in a new tab. So it's very simple. So yeah, so if I just type iPhone case, it's going to be appear for everything. If I put two hyphens or whatever it's called, iPhone cases, it will reach to like phrase match, exact matches. If I put these two open brackets and close bracket, it's going to show me the exact value. So in the beginning, all you have to do is just just go on keyword match type tool. This will help you create your keywords automatically. I would just always do phrase match and exact match and change to lowercase. Don't worry about anything, just copy this thing, go on Google Ads, paste it, and this is your ad right now, right? So again, you need to put your URL. So I'm gonna put yavarkhan.com. Okay, so I'm just gonna put yavarkhan.com. Again, this is something extra as well, so something which goes at the end over here, so you can say clothing or whatever it is, right? But for now I'm not gonna do anything. And then with your branded ones, again, you can literally say H&M, you can say H&M, and like what was it? Again, H&M online store, whatever it is, right? So H&M, like literally you can do H&M. Okay, H&M shop, and then women's, and then you can just do H&M offer and special offers. Okay, something like this. Okay, and on your description you can type the best clothing or whatever it is, right? You can be like this as well, right? Whatever you want to add, you can add over here. Even on the second thing, let's say we can check our competition as well. If I go back, type jeans, check your competition, and if we see Pull and Bear, we can do something like this. Change the brand name so it shows Pull and Bear. We can write H&M, whatever it is, right? That's it. And then you can create, you can do done. Okay, once done, and then you can create another ad group as well. Okay, and then you can do next, and then you can review, and then okay, that's it. And then you are keyword. Okay, this is done. Okay, next. So it's just doing a review, and then what is it showing me? Value is too long, so again, just make sure you are at the right value. Okay, next, and then you can just publish it. Okay, publish the campaign. So again, I've just paused the campaign, but as you could see on the left, this is your campaign. Inside the campaign there are ad groups, so you can create different ad groups. So again, you can just create non-branded ad group or generic ads keyword. So just create non-branded ad group. Again, paste the URL. It can be jeans, phrase match. We can do like this in the middle, just put jeans, Okay, then exact match is jeans again. Okay, and that's how you do it. And save and continue, and then you can create an ad, and then yeah, that's it. So now literally in this ad group you can create so many ad groups. So let's say this is your campaign. Okay, so inside the campaign you can see ad group AG1. So we can, what we could do is only focus t-shirts over here, right? Then create like this ad groups, pants, and then shoes, and then yeah, that's it, right? So literally we can do something like this. Where did the, yeah, so again, different ad groups we can create with keywords, and we can create different ads as well. So if I go over here, let's say for in this ad group, when I click over here, it shows the keyword. When I click on ads, it will show me the ads as well. So I can create multiple ads as well. So this is the complete Google Ads tutorial in a very simple way. So you can just get started again. And again, guys, you can make money with this. There are so many different ways you can do affiliate marketing. Second thing is you can ask other brands in your market or in your region, all the local brands, and tell them I can help you run Google Ads, and they can start paying you money. You can create your social media agencies. The last thing is, if you have your own brand, you can start promoting it. So again, these are some ways you can start making money. And I think so, guys, that's it for today's video. If you really like the video, please consider subscribing. Plus I have a free course on affiliate marketing with Google Ads, how you can start making $1,000 or $100 a day. $1,000, like, or like sometimes you can scale up to like $5,000 to $10,000 as well, depending on you. The free course, the link is down below. Go and check it out. And Yavar Khan signing off. And if you have any questions, please do let me know in comments, or just message me on Instagram. Even the link is down below for my Instagram. And I think so that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.